10,000 tick trap. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. We're going to start with some fireworks right here. Jumping right into it. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Adachi, good morning. Sounds like realization, good morning. Day trading, good morning. Greg, good morning. Bill 7, good morning. David Fields, good morning. D1, good morning. We have a big mama set up here, and we're going to take it full force. Coming with 10 contracts with runners. Let's see how far or how much we can make off of these. Feeling good about these right now. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Dante, good morning. Hugh, good morning. About to do a 20K special soon. I wish. I hope. I really hope. Good morning, guys. Harrison, good morning. Richard, good morning. Sonic, good morning. Mr. Bond, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Mr. Bond. Good morning, guys. Good morning. This is a straight up funded account. We are trading $300,000. Fully funded here. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. We're about to trigger this big mama. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm excited. 10 contracts. Does it probably shift if Big Mama happens outside of regular trading hours? It's a good question. I didn't look that deeply into that particular condition, but I could take a look. We're so close to triggering Big Mama here. Just trickling down to it, trickling. We have just triggered Big Mama Pandas. We got 2 runners here. Let's see how far they go. The idea is like we're trying to stop a freight train on a dime here. We're trying to take advantage of that. Looks like it's bouncing off of Big Mama here, which is not good news for us. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. We're in a big mama trade here. Let's see what happens. I'm feeling all right now. Still got some nice room here. A little nervous, obviously, because that's not the color of the candle I want to see at this moment. Definitely don't want to see reverse here. Definitely don't want to see that. And if that happens, darn. Ooh, definitely don't want to see that reversal. That is a shame. Definitely don't want to see that. Definitely don't want to see that in a big mama. Really unfortunate. It's bouncing off perfectly off Big Mama. Big Mamas have not been kind. Big Mama triggered here, got us yesterday. Big Mama does trigger overnight, gets anyone who tried to enter that. And Big Mama triggers now. Let's see what happens. Ooh, that's nice. I'd love to see that reversal. This might be a battle here, Pandas. Curious to see what happens. Ooh. All right. I wouldn't mind the reversal here. I really hate the fact that this bounced up and reversed off of Big Mama, creating an up leg. But if this does trigger a reversal here, it greatly increases the chances Big Mama works out. But we got to wait for that to happen. I'd like to see a reversal here. I'd like to see a trap trade here. That would be very, very nice. By the way, this is a funded account, so we're in 10 contracts on a funded account right now. Risk-free trading, baby. Let's go. Okay, I don't mind the color of that candle. Market's about to open 5 minutes. Okay, we triggered the trap, pandas. We're in good shape here, I hope. Unless this wants to create a second entry short. A, B, C, second entry short. Off of the 20 EMA. Why am I doing 10 contracts? Mainly because this big mama triggers, and I didn't get a chance to enter this one. I would have lost this one anyways. And so I figured I'd just go 10 contracts here as if I entered this one and already lost it, and I'm willing to lose it here. So I'm in 10 contracts. Basically because there's already a big mama that hit. That's not good. You know, you never want to see green. Ooh. Market's about to open. Curious to see here. So we don't like to do this while in a trade, but I don't think anything's gonna happen. Can reload my historical. You might want to create that second entry short here. Oof, that reversal failing. Typically not a good sign if you're short. This trap is failing currently. It looks like it's about to fail. And then it'll probably stop me out if it does fail. It is what it is. I really like the fact that I actually did trap. But all happening above, we cannot close underneath the previous day's low. We're having a hard time closing beneath it. We're having a hard time not even getting back to it. So if you're always in short here, what would you do? You know, you short here, try to come out break even in the middle. Okay, I like this. I like where it's going. It's going down. I don't like the color of that candle. I do not like the color of the candle. I do not like a reversal here. I would hate that. I would truly hate that. I'm feeling the heat right now on this big mama. But the nice thing about big mama, you just gotta let it go. You gotta let it do its thing. I could just take my trade out here, feeling that if it does reverse here, has a high chance of stopping me out. I could do that, but I'm just gonna let the big mama play out, do its thing. I gotta let it cook. But I'm definitely feeling the heat. Whew. I do not want to see this reversal. I do not want to see the second leg up here. Very unfortunate here. 3 big mamas failing in a row, pretty much. If it does fail here. Just ping-ponging back and forth from the previous day ranges. And this is bound to happen, something like this, bound to happen sooner or later. Where it literally just triggers V bottoms, triggers A top, triggers V bottoms again. It's bound to happen. It does trigger the second pullback. Now it's the second entry short. A, B, C, second entry short here triggered. I like the direction. I like where it's doing. I like how it reacted off of that. I like that it's going down. 10 more seconds until market opens. I like the general direction it's pointing to. Pandas. Market just opened. I like the fact that it ended red. I like that we triggered a second entry short. I like that, but I don't like what it's doing right now. Okay. Okay. Pandas. Pandas, we are in a big mama here. We're a big mama with a second entry short. Ooh. No longer feeling the burn. Feeling good about this trade. Maybe spoke too soon. Could reverse right off here. Feeling pretty good. Ooh, I don't like the fact that it's having a hard time closing beneath my order. Okay, I like that. I like, close right on my order, now reversed. Ooh, what's going on here? Okay, pushes up, but now it's pushing down again. I like that. I like that a lot. It's going back and forth here. It's ping-ponging. It's having a hard time making my big mama. Making me almost want to skunk this trade. But Pandas, I'm going to hold on to it. We're going to hold on to big mama here. We're going to let it play out, as we should. Having a tough time giving me that big mama scalp. Now it's reversing. Ooh, feeling the heat again. Feeling the heat again for sure. Strong bull bar. Ooh, I don't like that. I really don't like that strong bull bar ending on its high. That is not good. We're having a hard time completing big mama here. This could be it. This could be. We have the 20 EMA protecting us. We may have some support here. Bouncing off the 20 EMA. Come on. Don't give me a bull bar. Ooh, bull bar. 20 EMA bounce. Please support. Give me some resistance here on the 20 EMA. Give me some resistance. Any resistance whatsoever. No. No. It's going to get me. Darn. 3 big mamas failing in a row. That's a shame. That's a shame. That's tough. What can you do? You'd think third time's a charm, yeah? Ooh, it's going to get me. Yep. It's for sure going to get me. 99.9% chance it's going to get me. It gets me. Pandas. This is not the days for big mamas. 1, 2, 3 failing in a row. That is rough. That is really rough, Pandas. Unfortunate. We could have came out break even at least, but I like the fact that we're coming back down here. I will attempt it again, Pandas. I will attempt it again. If Obama tries to trigger again, I will take it again. Unless it's just V bottoms here, then it's no opportunity. It is what it is. If we tempt it again, I will try again. Really ping-ponging back and forth. I mean, the daily chart really is just boom, 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 boom. Very rare for this to happen, but apparently it does. So it is what it is. Got cooked. I got cooked. We're going to try it again here, Big Mama, if we do get another opportunity. We do have news at 9:45 PMI news.
$10,000 tick trap.
I will take Big Mama again here. We may get another Big Mama attempt here. We have news at 9:45. This may cause some trading range price action, which may make this Big Mama really hard to get. But I will attempt it again here. Second entry, short triggers, and then the failure triggers. Starting to go into like a trading range price action here. Trap may trigger. Trap triggers here. News is about to happen in about 7 minutes. PMI numbers. We're attempting Big Mama once again. We're about to trigger Big Mama. Let's see if we get another chance here. Second attempt at Big Mama. pushing away for now. Ooh, I thought I really had a chance here, especially on that second push down here. Wowzers. Wowzers. You just gotta let it cook. You gotta let these big mamas cook. News about to happen in 4 minutes here. I almost want to cancel this purely because news is about to trigger, and I do not want to be a trade. I don't want to be in a trade during news. A 3 more minutes the news hits. It's the manufacturing PMI numbers. News about to trigger in 2 minutes here. I'm okay if this triggers after news, to be honest. I just don't want to be in it during news. But I'm okay with it triggering after news, to be honest. Because it's at a level where I typically trade. Are we going to bounce all the way back to the top today? Is that what the market's telling me? 3 big mamas failing in a row. Ouch. One more minute to news triggers. I think we're okay here. I think we won't. I don't think this would trigger before news would trigger. I think we're gonna be okay here. I might not get filled if it moves like super quick. I might not get filled correctly. And that's what I have to be. That's what I have to pay attention to. If it like blows through my order and then tries to bounce back to it, I gotta cancel it in time. That's the main concern I have. News about a trigger in about 20 seconds. Five seconds news. Okay, that's a good thing. We're not in a trade during news.
10,000 tick trap.
News just triggers. Okay, pushes up. It's a little volatile. Not much there right now. Let's see how much higher it goes. As you can see, it's respecting this trend line right now, this channel. Okay, nothing really happens with that news. If you guys want a big news event, tomorrow is the day when you get the FOMC. The FOMC would be probably big enough news. That's at 2 p.m. It's probably big enough news to really, I think, make or break an account. And so you gotta do what you gotta do. But tomorrow probably is a big news event at 2 p.m. I think. Of course, nothing is certain. But FOMC typically has large impact on the market. Mr. Moss says, you do realize you were about one tick away from blowing your account? I don't see that. I don't understand. I don't know where that's coming from. My threshold is 29,500. My account balance is 29,600. I have about $3,700 left of threshold. I'm so confused. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, pandas. We're doing nothing. The news did absolutely nothing. We're just trickling here. Trap trade here. No, I think he's just misinformed. I don't think he knows what he's talking about. The name's Bond. Trap does trigger to the upside here. Let me try to fill a gap on the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart has a gap here from the open to the previous day's close, and the 5-minute has a gap, whereas the 2,000 tick and 10,000 tick chart do not, because this is only charting the regular trading hours here. All right, so we're bouncing off of the previous day's low, now bouncing up higher here. By the way, pandas, tomorrow is FOMC at 2 p.m. And so that means that most likely it will be a make or break news event, like make or break your account news event, which means that in one trade, you most likely can pass an evaluation. Now, if that's your goal just to get funded, then that's probably the best way to do it. And that's only with evals. I would not do that for PA accounts. I had to trade up for the PA account here, not because I'm trading the news, but because it's about to hit the level I was trading at. If I was trading news, I would just had entered here and try to choose a direction. But that's not what I try to do. I try to trade a level around the news time, which is completely different in principle. Pushing up, top of the trading range here. It's just grinding up right now. I don't know. We could be like always in long, strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart, ending on its high. It probably look for a second leg up here. Something like this. Voila. 2-legged pullback. Big push up here. Big bottom may not even get triggered, so I'm going to get rid of this. If it does come back, I'll be ready for it though. Okay. Interesting. L4 setup. Donald asks, when you get a proper account, is there a monthly fee? You can choose either a monthly fee or a lifetime one-time payment. You can choose one or the other. Did I call myself the most profitable trader? Check the title. You gotta check the title, man. Check the title. I think you're on the wrong stream. I think you're in the wrong stream, brother. I think you entered the wrong stream. Nope. As you can see by the title, I am no longer the most profitable because I'm negative right now. Once I get positive, I'll be the most profitable trader verified. I know. I miss the good old days when it was fun. Hey, 10,000 tick chart triggers a second entry short here. A, B, C off the 20 MA. It might just reverse off of here, off the bottom, come all the way back to the top. It could easily do that. When it gets this choppy, it can do anything. Kind of looks like this, but up here. And it could do this for a while until the 20 MA catches up to it. It's super frustrating. But right now, this price action does not give us any type of setup here. Completely trash. Man. Oh, this market is just slowly grinding up right now. No setups for me. Coming off the top of the channel here.
10,000 tick trap.
Trap may trigger on a 10,000 tick chart. Not what I'm interested in, looking at the price action here. 10,000 tick chart, trap trade, potentially here. Coming off the previous day's low. Darn, Look at this. I don't really think Mr. Bond's trying to troll. I think he's just misinformed. He first thought that he entered the most profitable trade or stream, and I think he misread the stream that he entered. Just misinformed. And then he also thought I had only one tick. I'm not sure about this one tick thing, but he thought I almost blew my accounts. I still have over $3,000 left of threshold on this account. Plus, essentially, risk-free trading here. This is why I'm being so aggressive. Risk-free trading. Imagine if I had lost with my own personal money $2,500. That's money out of my pocket. This is Apex money now, and it's funded. So, risk-free trading. That's what we're doing.
$10,000 tick trap.
Ooh, I mean, this price action is untradeable at the moment, in my opinion. Jeez. Sharp push down. Very sharp push down. Coming off the top of the trading range. Well, hello there, asks, can you explain a little bit the rules of Apex? I want to know, let's say you had $8,000 in profit and you blew your account. Do you get the money above the safety? If you blow your account, you don't get anything. If you made $8,000 and you withdrew your money and they approved your withdrawal and they took the money, and you gotta wait till they actually take the money out of your account. You'll see it both in Rhythmic and NinjaTrader. The money will be out of your account, and once the money is out of your account, then you can do whatever you want. That money is secured to be given to you, I believe. And then even if you blow your account, they'll still give you that money because they took it out of your account. Welcome to my channel where we do prop firm trading, where trading is virtually risk-free. Okay, pushes up here. Trap triggers. Something happened at 10 o'clock. I don't know what it was. It seems like there was some sort of news at 10 that triggered this trap. Triggered this push up, the spike up here. Home sales. Home sales had more more effect than the PMI. And it's not even considered high impact. Regardless, doesn't do much at the end. We are in this channel though, as you guys can see. Just grinding on this channel.
Trap.
Grinding on this channel. Interesting, pushes down here. I'm curious to see what happens. It's untradeable right now, this price action, for me. I mean, Mr. Bond actually has a point. If there's news, maybe it's not a good time to enter Big Mama because it could bounce around until then. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I think that's fair. It's a fair comment. That could be something you consider. I just did testing with Big Mama, that's why, and over a year span, and the results were remarkable. I'll just say that right now. I'll just say that in preview. I will release a video. Just need to find the time to do it. Andrew, is the Panda, is there a way to limit slippage? I just lost 15 NQ ticks to slippage. If your slippage happened because your stop loss, then I don't think there's not much you can do about that, because your stop loss is a market order. So the moment it touches, like depends on which way it's going, but let's say if the bid hits your stop loss, then it will just trigger it and it'll just do a market order right away. I'm not sure if you can change that, but that's kind of a good thing, because you just want to get out as soon as you can. It's more important to get out than worrying about kind of the slippage. If you're talking about slippage in entering an order, then you can do a limit order, a stop limit order. That will prevent slippage from entering, but I'm not sure if you can prevent it from exiting. It is something to note. Maybe some of the losses that happen with Big Mamas happen near news. I don't know. I could take some time to look at that too. It's honestly, I don't mind Mr. Bond's comments. I think some of them are based. So I'm a reasonable panda. There's some pandas here though, or there's some people who enter just not even reasonable, not even reasonable. But I don't think anything here is being said is being misleading. I think I'm very fair in terms of how I represent Apex. I talk about the good and bad. I talk about, even for those who are entering, if you're just starting, start small, start with one contract. I'm just saying it's virtually no risk. It's virtually no risk. I mean, you're talking about $30 if you start a 50K account.
5-minute trap.
$30 risk for a 50K account. I mean, honestly. Okay, we'll try Big Mama one more time if we do trigger it. I just do not like this price action right now because it's so just grindy. Overlapping bars, limit order market, grinding upwards. Those are the worst when you have a limit order market that just grinds one direction. It's very hard to enter because we want to find a nice pullback. But the limit order market just prevents anything. Like this is a limit order market. Again, limit order market.
$10,000 tick trap.
Trap maybe triggering on 10,000 tick chart. Broken kneecap says, so one throws out risk out the window, placing high risk trades until luckily passing a prop test. How does that help you when it's time to trade for real? Sonic says there's also a time limit on the test account. There's no real time limit. There's a time minimum, but no time limit. Broken kneecap. If your depends on your objective on the evaluation. If your objective on the evaluation is to, well, I'm not sure what you're asking here. Locally passing. Okay, yeah, you're talking about evaluation. If your objective of evaluation is to get good at trading, then yes, trade it regularly. If your objective for evaluation is to pass it to get funded, then it doesn't really matter. You don't have 30 days to pass. The thing about 30 days, it just renews, and so you'll have to pay the fee again. So typically, you want to finish it before 30 days. But even if you can't, it's okay because I mean you're getting 80% off, so it's going to be 80% off even the following months. The lifetime of the evaluation, it's 80% off. Someone mentioned, you know, the high that you get or the confidence that you get from passing the eval. Could that affect your PA trading? And yeah, it could. It really could. Right now, this market is just absolute doo-doo trash. It's just it's like it's a complete dumpster. Got second entry short here. Not interested. This will be first breaker trend.
$10,000 tick trap. Five-minute trap.
Trap triggering on the 10,000 tick chart. Also on the 5-minute trap triggers way beneath the 20 MA. We may still be trying to fill that gap. Maybe at least trying to touch the 20 MA here on the 5-minute chart. Gonna fail second entry short here on the 5-minute chart. 10,000 tick chart as well. This is bonkers. So break a trend to new high. No setup here to go long, unfortunately. This is not the price action to trade. We sit on our pause. And this is why we have community. So we can talk about how terrible this price action is while it's developing. It's really terrible to trade. I think it's been like this, honestly, for several months now. This kind of price action, especially at the opening. It's just so bad. So frustrating. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. So sad for LeBron. Did they lose? Lakers lose? Just means that it just means they got to get better. Wow. Unbearable price action right now. It's just really untradeable. Kind of been stuck in this blue box here. The higher time frames may give us clues on what direction the market wants to go. We can see that we're having a hard time closing above the 20 EMA on the 10,000 tick chart. The 2,000 tick chart is really hard to tell what's happening or if we're bearish or bullish, but on the higher time frames, it may give us a hint here that we may be pushing down more. 5-minute chart doesn't quite touch the 20 EMA, which I would like before we could push down further, but it may push down here. horrendous here. Pandas, it's all good. If this count gets blown, guess what? We'll start again. Virtually risk-free. Nothing to worry about. What about a trigger Big Mama here? Big push down. Second attempt on Big Mama. Question is, do I swing it or do I just scalp it? That is the question. Big Mama, second attempt here on stream. And like I mentioned, the 10,000 tick chart gave us clues on which direction the market was going to go. The 2,000 tick was very hard to tell which way we're going to go. 10,000 tick kind of gave us hints that we're probably come back down. We're in a trading range 10,000 tick chart. 2,000 tick chart as well, basically same trading range. Trading range indicator. We didn't trigger Big Mama though. We're one tick away from triggering. And it is what it is. That's why you gotta keep Big Mama where it is. If it doesn't trigger, it doesn't trigger. Instead we're bouncing off of this area, maybe acting as support, maybe a strong bounce back up. What a bounce, wow. Straight down, straight back up, V bottom off of the previous day's low. Like perfectly touching it. Jeez. Alright. Sure, why not? Strong bounce back up, like really strong bounce back up. Right into the blue box, back into the blue box. Jeez Louise. 5-minute chart, just create this nasty wick here. This nasty tail. It may come back and touch the 20 EMA now if it does reverse up here. It's incredible. It's kind of frightening actually. Because if I had entered this trade, I would have got ripped apart with a V bottom. High or low maybe here. I mean, what a V bottom. Like, boom, boom. Just a perfect bounce off of this area. Jeez. Wow. Second entry short. This is where you probably look for a failure, fail second entry short, because we got such a decisive bounce off of strong support. This is kind of where you figure that we may actually have a double bottom here, and we may bounce up strongly going up. I may come in with 2 contracts looking for a runner here. Two contracts looking for a runner, because this could be a reversal, a really strong reversal. Maybe. Fail second entry short here. Ooh, it's such a bad signal bar. Such small risk though. Maybe worth taking. Huh. Maybe worth taking. But the signal bar is so bad. It's like, can't really ask for anything worse than that. I like a little tail here. Interesting. I'll attempt this. The risk is so small. If we close beneath the 20 man, I wouldn't like that. Risk is even smaller now, almost. Depends on how this candle finishes. Okay. Oof. Still ugly looking. Still really ugly. Like, so ugly. Ooh, that's an ugly looking candle. Ugly looking signal bar. Ugly looking signal bar.
10,000 tick trap.
Huh. It's a really ugly looking signal bar. It's not bad. It's not as bad anymore. We're just still underneath the 20 MA here. The risk is so small. I'll try here. The risk is so small. We may not even be able to get in. No, I'm no longer interested. I'll let it go. It's a Pikachu trade, which is what I like. And it's coming off of like a very decisive bounce off of support, strong support here. So I'm thinking a double bottom here, and I'm thinking this could be a super strong reversal. Really strong reversal. But the main problem is a 10,000 tick chart, 20 EMA. It's having a hard time closing above it. 5-minute chart. Creates a long wick here.
10,000 tick trap.
I'm glad I didn't enter it, because that's not what you want to see. Especially you don't want to see that reversal. Maybe a higher low setup here. I don't know. H4 setup. 4 pushes down. Oh boy, it's confusing. Trying to get long here. Might miss the boat. Trying to look for that retracement back. Don't want a retracement this far away. I was trying to get retracement back to where I have entered, not in the outside bar reversal. If it triggered here, I'd like a retracement back to that, but never got it. I mean, it might come back down, but now if we get retracement from in this area, I don't feel confident, as confident. Pushing up now. Probably miss the boat here if it does go up. Just that perfect bounce here. Definitely be a risk. Definitely be a risk. Still in this blue box. What can I say? I don't know. It's still very confusing to me. Wow. I mean, this is not tradable. Just regardless, it's not tradable. It does scalp you out. If you had entered right here, 1-2 points, you could have scalped out 2 points. Or 2 points, so 1 contract. Angel says, second entry short, 2000 tick is super unreliable. I've been getting chopped to pieces. Maybe. Yikes. I mean... Again, untradeable. Untradeable price action, in my opinion. Only trade really was the Big Mama. That's kind of why I like to take the Big Mamas when I can, just because during stream, who knows if we get any good setups. I haven't seen any. Maybe this higher low what I was trying to get into, but I couldn't get into it. It went without me.
Five-minute trap. $10,000 tick trap.
Whew. Trap trade here, but so choppy. This trap trade here. I mean, we already had break a trend to new high. Just a perfect balance off the previous day's low makes me feel like we have a double bottom of some sort. When you just get bounces like this off of support, it makes you feel like you gotta go long. It's untradeable. This trap trade, kind of interested, but I'm gonna sit on my pause just because it's just confusing to me. I mean, we're still in this blue box. Terrible signal bar. I don't know. I don't know. Well, pandas. Let me just tell you. Richard Harris says, why did Big Mama turn into Dirty Uncle 3 times in a row? Pretty funny comment, actually. It's a good question. Something to look into, I guess. Trap trade does trigger. Strong bull bar and on its high. On the trap here. We're still underneath all this resistance here. It'll be a breakout trade if you're going to consider this one. Breakout trades are fine. You just got to consider the risk or consider the probability. Okay. 2 bull bars ending near their highs. Okay. Looking a little more bullish. That trap trade makes a perfect scalp. Jeez. How do you trade this? I don't know. It's not fun, I'll just say that much. It's not fun. To me, the fact that we haven't really reversed yet makes me wonder if we're going to reverse. We've been kind of stuck in this trading range for a long time. So it makes me feel like if we're going to reverse, we should have done it already. But I feel like we have lost some wind under our sails here. I could be wrong, though. Maybe we're just powering up for the next big push. Who knows? How would they know? At least we took one trade. At least we attempted. At least we put our chips in. It didn't work out for us, but at least we tried. That's the most you can ask for.
10,000
Right?
tick
At least
trap.
you tried. Another push up. Maybe bullish here. Still feel like we're underneath our resistance areas. Well, our excitement already happened with Big Mama. Nothing else really is happening. It's just been in this for an entire hour. Doing nothing here. You may be waiting for FOMC tomorrow for the big news. I would say load up on your evals for tomorrow. May be a big news event to move the markets. At least more than this. This is incredible. Okay, looks like it's pushing up here. 20 EMA looks like a clear target on the 5-minute chart where we're trying to get.
Five-minute trap.
Okay, we're pushing up. 5-minute chart really looks like it wants to touch a 20 EMA. Very close to it. It's just moving so slow. Goodness gracious. Did I develop the superhuman ability to go super fast and everything just looks slow to me? This is just so painfully slow. Am I like Quicksilver from the X-Men? X-Men? I always found those scenes like the most entertaining. The scenes where Quicksilver is just going super fast, and it doesn't make any sense in terms of like physics, how fast he can actually be going to do what he's doing at the speed that he is. But hey, it's entertainment. What can I say? What can you do?
10,000 tick trap.
What can you do? The market does what it wants, and you can only take what the market gives you. And this is what it gives you, then this is all you get. Painful price action, super slow limit order market. Fascinating. It doesn't actually touch. It doesn't actually touch the 20 EMA yet. Ooh, Mo 7. Feeling tilted here. We're going to be down a little bit today. And when I mean a little bit, I mean a lot of bit. It is what it is. You know, when you see the opportunity, you got to take it. And fortunately, the setup that is highly reliable, this is kind of where, you know, starts to even out a little bit. We're getting 3 failures in a row, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. The nice thing is, though, Pandas, we got 80% off, so even if you do fail, it's okay, Pandas. It's not the end of the world. You got your whole life to become profitable. Absolutely dreadful price action here. Let's stay on 5 more minutes. I want to see if something happens. I want to see if Big Mama triggers. I have a feeling that this down move is not done. The main reason being is because if we were going to reverse, we should have done it already. But we haven't. Like, we have not done anything. So it makes me feel like the bears are here and they're strong and they're influencing the market enough where the bulls who want to reverse this are not getting what they want. And I have a feeling we're going to push down. I don't know, but we'll see. It just feels strange that we haven't reversed yet. Like, we should have already reversed. Look at the past couple reversals. When we bounce off the previous day's low, super strong reversal. Previous high, super strong reversal. Previous low, don't know. Don't know. Maybe we get a fail second entry long here. I feel like the moment I turn off the stream, the market's just going to go crazy. Okay, second entry long triggers here. It was a nice little pop up there, but beneath the 20 EMA, so I can't really take it. Spike channel breaks, maybe retest of the high here. It's a nice strong move up right now. It's kind of like having these little like bursts up. Okay. Strong bull bar ending near its high. Okay, it was like a big push up, but then big push back down. I thought we were gonna get something. I just want to see the next. I want to see the next candle. I want to see one more candle here after this one. See what happens. If we break below, I'll maybe stick around. If we break above, I'm done. Just want to see if Big Mama's gonna trigger again today. Ooh, are we gonna break below? Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Break below. Come on. All right. We're down. Let's see what happens. We're both below. This is very strange. About 6 points away from Big Mama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strong bear bar, ending on slow. Big Mama about to trigger. Big Mama about to trigger here. I think bouncing off this trend line for now. Okay, just bounces right off of this. Oh, nasty. It's like when it has this low volatility, like low volume, it's like every support resistance is just super strong. Like it just does not have the power to break through any of these support resistance levels. Even this simple trend line right here could not break beneath it. Just right when it touches it, just bounces right off of it. It's just volatility, the volume is just abysmal. I kind of wish I just took this short now. I was thinking if we broke beneath, like we're gonna move down, maybe to Big Mama, but it's all good. It's all good, pandas. As long as we're beneath the 20 MA, I'm gonna stick around here. Real painful to watch. Second entry short, maybe. Get another push down here. Okay. Bear bar. Curious. Jeez. Can't even extend to here. All this nastiness. Okay. Second to short. Baby. Jeez. Do something. Ugh. Pandas, you know what this means. We load up our evals, get ready for tomorrow. Get ready. Tomorrow, get those PA counts. Second entry short. Perhaps. As long as we're beneath the 20 MA, I'll stay on. Just because there's a chance of Big Mama being hit here. I want to catch it on stream if we can. So I got your short triggers. Okay. You may trap. Second short triggers, but it may trap. Maybe pushing us back up above the 20 MA. No idea. Wow. Painful. I got all excited too after that drop. Trap about a trigger on that second inch short. Never want to see a trap. Yep, trap triggers underneath. 20 EMA though, can't go long. Maybe an undershoot leads an overshoot. Absolutely wild. Hey, as long as we're beneath the 20 MA pandas, I'm here. I'm here. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. So we do. That trap fails. A double trap here. Or triple trap, really. You have a second entry long that fails. Okay. You thought it was going to fail, but it doesn't. Instead, it comes right back up in the limit order market. It's insanely painful to watch. Ooh, we're getting above the 20 MA. If we close above the 20 MA, I'm out of here. And we're above the 20 MA. All right, pandas. It's been real. We're going to try. I'm going to keep this order here. If it does trigger, I'll let you know tomorrow how it goes. But other than that, pandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early. Make sure you guys use BB80, especially with the news tomorrow. Stock up on those eval accounts, get them passed. And yeah, with that being said, Panda, I'll see you guys 9:15 for the mainstream and 9 o'clock for the pre-market. And trade safe, everybody. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.